Dear all over the world, billions of people dream of peace, an untroubled and secure existence, and the possibility of satisfying basic needs such as health, access to education, and intangible cultural assets, protection from what threatens human life, complete and quality nutrition, and the ability to live in cities and natural environments that are hospitable and rich in biodiversity. Around the world, in both developed and disadvantaged countries, billions of people experience climate disruption, the form of alternating extreme phenomena, floods and droughts, too hot or too cold. Throughout the world, billions of people are at risk of forced migration, hunger, and disease. Other people are moved by empathy and the sense of common belonging to humankind and planet Earth, and they suffer when they see the suffering of so many brothers and sisters. Around the world, tens of thousands of universities and tens of millions of primary and secondary school teachers are committed to satisfying the thirst of learning of young people and adults. But hundreds of millions do not have access to education or cannot benefit from adequate learning. Yet, learning is essential to be active protagonists in this era of ever-increasing acceleration of change. Yet, education is the most effective tool for changing the world in the way we want. There is a gap between our knowledge and capabilities and the ever-growing and ever-faster magnitude of problems that humanity must face. Worldwide, the community of researchers, professionals, educators, public organizations, and NGOs is engaging daily in this noble human enterprise. This community finds in the WEEC network an ultimate primary tool to become more cohesive and to make its action more effective. With these digital media, the world congresses that have taken place on all continents, and these campaigns and initiatives such as the World Education Day on 14th October each year, WEC keeps the focus on environmental education alive and supports research and innovative practices of formal and informal education. This is why we invite everyone, people and institutions, to the 13th World Congress of Environmental Education, which will be held in Perth, Australia, in September 2026. It will be a great and beautiful opportunity for discussion, stimulation and encouragement, and personal collaborative growth. It will be an opportunity to reflect on the learning state and changes needed today. Hope animates us, and we do not want to put limits on it. No limits to hope is the title of the report we are working on together with the Fifth Element Project and the Club of Rome, which we will present in Perth on the 13th WEEC. It will be a great event and one more reason to attend the Congress. So let's work daily on transformative learning and meet in Australia to take stock. See you soon, but in the meantime, let's stay in touch.